So I'm so excited because this week and next week we're going to be learning all about space in our solar system. So I got this really cool book for us to read, and I have some really fun activities that we're going to do with it. But what you're going to need for this video is this worksheet. It says the solar system, what I know about our solar system, what I wonder about our solar system, and what I learned. So before you watch this video, pause it if you haven't done this. You're going to fill out these two sections, and I'm going to go ahead and fill out what I think. So what I know about our solar system, that's what you've already heard, what you already know about. So I know that the sun is in the middle of our solar system. So that's something that I already know. What I wonder about our solar system, so what I'd like to know, I wonder what other planets are like. And I'm only doing one for each, but you can do more than one. And then the next thing is what I learned. So before we fill that out, we have to learn something. So we're going to use this book, There's No Place Like Space, all about our solar system. And it's a Dr. Seuss book, which I know you guys love. So we're going to see if we learned some things that we didn't already know about our solar system, and maybe what I wondered what other planets are like. Maybe I'll find that out. So that's what books are great for. They're great for learning and finding things out that you didn't know. So there's no place like space. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. That's something that I didn't know. There are 8 planets in our solar system, so I could write that down for what I learned. And you can write things down as I read if you'd like. Mercury is close to the sun, burning light. It is hot. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to one thing and thing two. And then this says, today's weather on Venus, really, really hot, nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, windy and dry. I wonder if Venus is actually 900 degrees. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet, Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it will never stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If the Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, because we're spinning right with it right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all the other planets combined. Whoa, that is so cool. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. Wow. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has a lot of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say, Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mickles just saved up 999 nickels. So Mallory, or M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. Mallory, Valerie, and Mickles just saved up 999 nickels. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets that you name. Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's a star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From the Earth it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. That is so crazy. I did not know that. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, reflects the sun's light. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing too wants to be one. In fact, so do I. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go, fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's a lot to discover and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. And that's the end of it. So that was kind of a fun fiction-y non-fiction book. It's fiction because the Cat in the Hat isn't real and it's just, a cartoon and just a fun character, but it's non-fiction because it was telling us all those really cool facts about our solar system. So that's pretty cool. There's something for everybody. So something that I learned that I thought was really cool was I did not know that 1 million Earths could fit in the sun. That is awesome. So I'm going to write what I learned about our solar system. 1 million Earths can fit into the sun. So that's how big our sun is. That's awesome. I also learned that Neptune is blue. Okay. So what I want you guys to do after you fill out your sheet or whenever you get time this week, I want you to go on Flipgrid and answer Miss Alex's question, and I'm going to ask, what's your favorite planet? Because I'm interested to know which one you liked. I think Neptune's the best because it's blue, and I like that. But I can't wait to find out what your favorite planet is, and I love you guys, and I miss you.